You don't have to know everything about real estate to be a successful real estate investor. I personally think the more you know about real estate, the less you know about investing. See, the reason a lot of realtors don't invest in real estate is because they know too much about real estate and not enough about investing. They know too much about the square footage of a house and not about the economics. They don't understand the profitability, but they can sell you a property that is the most expensive in the most expensive neighborhood. See, the reason why I chose real estate investing is because it provides income stability, it provides tax benefits, it gives me property appreciation, meaning the property is going to increase in value, it's going to help me to hedge myself against inflation. Imagine, they said that the average inflation dollar amount for the average household is $3,000 to $5,000. Okay, the average inflation amount for the average household is $3,000 to $5,000. Now, that's per year, not per month, per year. Now, did you know that one investment property at $500 net income, okay, that's $6,000 a year. You've already beat inflation with just one investment property, okay? And then real estate helps you build real wealth. Like, that's the thing that we have to look at. Real estate helps you build real wealth, not fake wealth. Because when you think about wealth, and I'm actually going to go into the definition of it, the actual textbook definition, but an abbreviated definition of wealth is an accumulation of assets. So I want to ask yourself, is your job wealth? Maybe short term, because wealth does have to do with money, but is your job promised tomorrow? Once you retire, do you get the same amount of pay? Is the car you driving wealth? Keep in mind, wealth has to make you money. Is the car you're driving considered wealth? Can you even put it under your asset column? You can't. Let me ask you another question. Is that business you're trying to start wealth? Remember, wealth is an accumulation of assets. If your business isn't making money, it's not an asset. If your business doesn't own anything, the business is not an asset. If you get sick inside your business, can your business still thrive? If not, that business is not an asset. Stocks, crypto, are those assets? That's subjective. And I'm going to break that down here today. Okay, so let's take stocks. Okay, now imagine investing $20,000 into Facebook. Okay, imagine investing $20,000 into Facebook. My question is, how much does Facebook pay you every single month if you invest in Facebook stock? Now, the thing about the stock market, and I actually invest in stock, is that you have to play the long game from a standpoint of that. Let's say you borrow from your bank. Right here. Here's one of my credit card banks. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Here's one of my credit card banks with a bunch of credit cards in here. Now, if I go and borrow $20,000 from my Visa card and put it into the Facebook stock, okay, and I buy $20,000 worth of Facebook stock, what monies am I making from that stock to be able to pay back this Visa credit card? Because that payment let's say it's $500 a month. I don't get $500 a month from that stock. And even if I'm getting a dividend, the dividend is going to be quarterly. And I think the Meta stock or Facebook stock pays a 0.25% dividend, which means if I put $20,000 into Facebook, I'm probably going to get back like a $12 dividend payment every quarter. So again, I'm looking at how am I going to hedge my inflation? How am I building wealth? And how am I getting mailbox money? So my question to you all on here, does stocks help you build mailbox money? Yes or no? Remember, mailbox money means you get paid every single month. Does stock help you build mailbox money? Yes or no? That's the first one. The next one, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin right now, I think it's about $57,000 to $58,000 per coin. Okay, so again, 65? 64,000 right now. Okay. Pardon me. So now I'm going to take my credit card stack and I'm going to use my MasterCard to pull $70,000 to buy one Bitcoin. Okay. I'm going to go and pull $70,000 from my credit card stack to buy one Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin does not pay mailbox money. Bitcoin does not pay me monthly for holding. Now, I potentially can borrow against it, but just like Bitcoin, just like my Facebook stock or Tesla stock, if I pull money from those assets, I am taxed heavily. You're actually going to be taxed probably twice. You're going to be taxed heavily. So let me ask you, if I go and pull $70,000 from my credit card to buy one Bitcoin, how will I pay the monthly payment on that $70,000? Does Bitcoin, I want you all to answer the question, does Bitcoin pay me a monthly residual to service the debt for that $70,000? Does Bitcoin pay me a monthly residual? I want you all to think about that as we are going through understanding the power of mailbox money.